Hi, welcome back to EST Online. Today we're looking at three very different verbs with one simple meaning: do. Now the verb do is one of the most boring verbs in English, but we have a lot of different verbs that have the same meaning for different situations. Let's look at two more: conduct and commit. So how do we use these verbs and what do they mean? Well, very simply, they all mean the same thing: do. But we use conduct for scientific actions, conduct an experiment, conduct research. We sometimes use conduct for artistic ventures too, but mostly science. Commit is usually used for criminal activity. Commit a crime, commit fraud, commit theft. So commit is normally used for very serious, usually criminal activities. Do is only used for daily activities. So do the housework. I don't commit the housework and I don't conduct the housework. Although if you said to your partner, your husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, hey, I'm gonna conduct the housework, you know what? That would be pretty funny because it sounds like you're gonna do the housework in a scientific way. So watch out. Conduct is usually used for scientific actions. Commit is usually used for serious, usually criminal actions. And do is used for daily things. Thanks for joining me. Make sure to go visit estonlineseries.com to see what else you can do with EST. Thanks again. Bye-bye.